Hello and welcome to making your first iPhone app. My name is Nick Walter. I'm an iOS developer that's added over 10 apps to the Apple App Store and have over 300,000 downloads there. I'm also an online instructor that for over 3 years have taught over 42,000 students how to code. And I'm a self-taught developer, and so I tell you that because I want you to know that I know what it feels like to start from absolutely nothing and be confused by all the jargon that's out there. I like to teach in a simple way as if I was teaching a friend. And I teach over on zappycode.com as well as here at Pack Publishing. So let me go ahead and give you a course overview of what you're looking at in this course. We're first going to start by doing installation and setup. The program that we use to make apps is called Xcode. I'm going to show you how to download and install that. Next, we're going to move on to a tour of Xcode, walk you through how you can make apps, also what the Swift Playground is. That's an awesome way to learn Swift. We'll come back to that. Then we're going to move on to making your very first app. So I just want you to show that this process maybe isn't as confusing or scary as you think it might be. Then we're going to move on to Swift fundamentals. So Swift is a programming language created by Apple. It came out about 3 years ago, and it's really geared towards beginners. So that's great news for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step of that programming language, just teach you the bare essentials that you need to make apps, and we're going to be doing that in Apple's Playground, which is a great place to learn. And then finally, we're going to bring everything together and create a tip calculator. So we're going to take the Swift knowledge that you have, some of the things that you learned when you made your first app. We're going to bring it all together and make a tip calculator so you can have this new app, and it's sort of, the crowning moment of this course. So I do want to point out that you will need a Mac computer for this course, so make sure that you're able to fulfill that requirement. But assuming that's the case, I would love to have you in this course. So why is this the right course for you? Because I will walk with you step by step. I've been there. I know what it feels like to be a complete beginner again. I'm a self-taught developer, and I've taught over 42,000 students. I know the common questions and problems that come up. I'm really here to get you out of the gate and running as quickly as possible. So if you ever have any questions or things that you want to know more about, you can find me on Twitter at NickChuckWalter. But assuming that you're ready to rock and roll, let's go ahead and move on to installation and setup.